Oxfam has delivered an uncomfortable message to the world's most powerful. And this time, India is at the center of that message. At the World Economic Forum, where global elites gather every year, the Rights Group released its latest inequality report, warning that democracy across the world is increasingly being captured by wealth. The report makes a striking claim. Billionaires are now 4,000 times more likely to hold political office than ordinary citizens. According to Oxfam, money is no longer just influencing politics, it is reshaping it. In many countries, political power is drifting away from the public and concentrating in the hands of the ultra-rich. But amid this global concern, Oxfam points to India as a notable exception. The report describes India's political reservation system as a compelling example of how democracy can empower the economically disadvantaged. It says quotas for scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and other marginalized groups have opened real pathways to legislative representations. Oxfam argues that representation is not symbolic, it changes outcomes. India's reservation framework ensures that communities historically excluded from power are present in decision-making spaces. With the recent move to reserve 33% of seats for women, that inclusion has expanded from further. The report explains that ordinary people gain political power when institutions are inclusive, when governance is effective, and when political systems are designed to respond to inequality. According to Oxfam, India's democratic structure brings many of these elements together, creating spaces for voices that would otherwise be silenced. While many democracies struggle with billionaire dominance in politics, India's system actively enables farmers, workers, Dalits, Adivasis, women and backward communities to enter legislatures and influence policy. Oxfam says this helps push redistributive policies that address inequality at its roots. The report also underlines the role of civil society. Grassroots movements, trade unions, and community organizations are described as natural allies of the state in strengthening political participation. Oxfam says empowering these actors is essential for building what it calls the power of the many. From India's perspective, the recognition is significant. At a global forum, often criticized for elite excess, India's democratic model is being cited as a counterbalance to concentrated wealth and political privilege. The report does not claim the system is perfect, but it acknowledges that it functions. Oxfam also points to global parallels, such as Brazil's participatory budgeting, where citizens directly decide how public money is spent. These examples, the report says, show that democracy works best when people are brought closer to power, not pushed away from it. And the report ends with a clear warning and a clear demand. Governments must protect freedom of speech, the right to protest, and the right to organize. Transparency and accountability are essential if democracy is to survive billionaire influence. For India, the message carries weight. In a world where money increasingly shapes politics, India's reservation system is being recognized as a democratic safeguard. A reminder that equality in politics does not emerge on its own. It must be built, defended, and sustained.